Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Digen.ai subscription. So if you have taken any kind of subscription on this platform and you want to cancel a subscription due to any reason, because it is taking lots of time to creating any videos, or you can like creating any images, you can image to video. It will take lots of time. I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing, but I'm facing this same issue right now. So you can see I have provided a task at this platform and it will not giving me correct results. So you can say it will taking a lots of time, like approx 20 minutes the task is already running and it will not providing me results. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this subscription. So you can see over here when you log in into your account, and you can see over here there is no option to cancel a subscription. You just need to simply click on this option, where this plan is available like free and your credit is given. You need to click on this option, and once you click on this option you will see upgrade to ultra and high speed generation channel, 600 enemy points and generate. You will see on this area like your cancellation button. Okay, you need to select this option and you can cancel your subscription very easily, and this is the only method. Okay, and if we talk about like return and refund, so there is no guarantee like you will get your money back or not, because there is no such type of information available like you will get your money back or not. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any experience with this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.